This is Kevin Wayne Johnson. I am the Chief Executive of the Johnson Leadership Group, based in Clarksville, Maryland, and the author of this series of books titled Leadership with a Servant's Heart. We want you to know better, do better, and lead better. In this world, our leaders are not delivering what the employees are looking for. And great leaders are those men and women who are able to align their subject matter expertise with their heart, being compassionate and being empathetic, and also valuing, caring, respecting, and honoring those that we are responsible for in terms of development and coaching and mentoring. So Leadership with a Servant's Heart will help you to get there. Get your copy today everywhere that books are sold. Kevin Wayne Johnson. See you soon.